Everyone says you need luck to grow on YouTube. That's a lie. I started from zero. No subscribers, no camera, no idea what I was doing. And I figured out how to grow without gaming the algorithm, without buying gear, and definitely without hoping for a miracle. In this video, I'm gonna give you the exact strategy I'd use if I had to start a brand new YouTube channel today in 2025 from absolute zero. By the end, you'll know how to find video ideas that actually get views, how to structure your content for maximum watch time, and how to make your first videos actually grow. Let's dive in. Here's the truth most new creators never hear. They're making videos for themselves, not for an audience. It's like opening a 5-star restaurant in the middle of a desert. The food might be amazing, but if no one's driving by, no one's eating there. YouTube doesn't reward effort, it rewards demand. It's a search engine. If no one's searching for what you're making, the algorithm has zero reason to push it. So instead of making random content and hoping it sticks, step one is brutally simple. Make videos people are already searching for. Let me show you what I mean. If we head over to YouTube and in the search bar and start typing how to, you'll see YouTube's autocomplete suggestions pop up. This right here, my friends, is demand. This is what people are actively looking for right now. These are the exact topics that already have built-in interest. It's like the audience is telling you, hey, this is what we want, make more of this. Just make sure to stay within your niche so YouTube can start finding your target audience. And when you combine that with powerful titles and irresistible thumbnails, YouTube actually has a reason to push your content to more people. Alright, so let's talk about the first thing people see when scrolling on YouTube, your title and thumbnail. Most new creators treat these like an afterthought, but in reality, they're the make or break moment for your video. Because no matter how good your content is, if your title and thumbnail don't stop the scroll, you'll never get the click. Your title. Think of your title like a headline. It needs to spark curiosity or promise a clear value. If it doesn't do one of those two things, it's invincible. Keep it under 60 characters so it shows up fully on both desktop and mobile. Use emotionally loaded words like simple, exposed, or mistake, and hint at something they'll miss if they don't click. Now for your thumbnail. Keep it clean, bold, and focused. One face, big emotion, 3 to 5 words max. Anything more than that starts to feel like clutter, and clutter kills clarity. Your title gets a click, your thumbnail makes a click feel worth it. Together, they decide whether your video lives or dies in silence. Here's the deal. If your video doesn't hold attention, the algorithm won't promote it, no matter how good your topic is. So how do you boost retention? Start with a strong hook. Tell people what they're getting and why it matters in the first 5 seconds. Then every 20 to 30 seconds, break the pattern. Use zoom ins, add captions, share a quick story, add a question, shift your tone, add in a sprinkle in curiosity loops like this. But the real trick, I'll show you that in a minute. That one line keeps people watching longer and YouTube loves it. A lot of creators burn out thinking they need to post daily. But honestly, one great video a week is enough to grow. And it's way more sustainable. The catch? That video has to be great. Not rushed, not thrown together, not good enough. I'd rather see you post 4 high-quality videos a month than 12 forgettable ones. Because one solid video, one banger, can change your entire channel. Let me leave you with this. YouTube is not a post once and go viral game. It's a long game. If you show up consistently, if you learn from each video, if you improve just a little every week, you will grow. Every big creator you know, everyone, started from zero. The difference? They didn't quit. They kept posting when no one was watching. They treated every video like a lesson, not a failure. If you can do that, this platform will reward you in ways you couldn't even imagine. So here's your plan. Focus on searchable topics, craft clickable titles and thumbnails, keep viewers watching, and post once a week with intention. That's how you build your audience, the smart way. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.